Learn to crochet a small pumpkin in 5 minutes. First, make a slip knot. Next, chain 15 stitches. Starting from the second chain from the hook, work 14 half double crochets HDC back across. Then, chain 1. Flip the work. For row 3, crochet 14 HDCs into the back loops only. Again, chain 1 and flip. Rows 4 to 19 follow the same as row 3, 14 HDCs in the back loops. After row 19, you'll have 9 ridges. Leave a long tail for sewing, fold it in half, and whip stitch the adjacent loops together. Then, cinch it tight. Pull firmly. Thread the yarn near the opening and stitch around once more. Tighten again. Korean text omitted, unrelated to crochet. Stuff with fiber fill, then close the opening as before. After closing, thread the yarn to the other side. Tighten between the 2 central ridges to shape the pumpkin. Finally, weave in the yarn at any point and trim the excess. For the stem, chain 8. Slip stitch to join. Chain 1, then work 6 single crochets SC into the ring. Pull tight. Slip stitch to the first SC, chain 1. Round 2, Work 6 SC increases 12 stitches total. Slip stitch to the first SC, then fasten off. Attach the stem to the pumpkin. Knot the yarn ends securely to finish.